The human ear consists of the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear consists of the pinna, the external auditory meatus, and the ear canal. The outer ear's main function is to gather sound waves and channel the sound waves to the tympanic membrane or the eardrum. The tympanic membrane is the boundary between the outer and middle ear. The sound waves cause the tympanic membrane to vibrate, which causes the bones of the middle ears to vibrate, or the middle ear to vibrate. The middle ear is an air-filled cavity with 3 bones and 2 muscles. The bones, the malleus, incus, and stapes, are collectively called the ossicles, and the muscles are the stapedius and tensor tympani. Air pressure of the middle ear is regulated by the eustachian tube. The middle ear focuses the pressure of the vibrations from the tympanic membrane onto the oval window of the cochlea. This makes the vibrations stronger, which is good because the middle ear isn't filled with air, it's filled with fluid. The inner ear consists of both the cochlea and the vestibular system. The vestibular system helps with balance and detecting movement. The cochlea is what we will be focusing on. If you take a cross-section of the cochlea, you can see that there are 3 chambers. Each are filled with fluid. The vibration from the stapes on the oval window creates waves in the fluid. These waves cause a membrane that runs along the entire length of the cochlea, called the basilar membrane, to move at certain points along its length. The basilar membrane has hair cells on top of it, and another membrane, the tectorial membrane, is above that. When the wave causes the basilar membrane to move, the cilia on top of the hair cells touch the tectorial membrane and the cilia bend a little. This bending creates a chemical reaction which ultimately generates an action potential that is sent along the 8th cranial nerve to the brainstem onto the brain, where it is interpreted as sound.